Okay, what's up, guys? So really quick, this is going to be a short video. I just wanted to get on here and let you know that posting on YouTube and pursuing my dreams on YouTube is probably the best thing that I could ever do. Not ever do, like not in the whole universe or whatever, but like for business, this is the best thing because just think about it. The world is going digital. Everybody wants to see reality. People want to see people being personable and real like this. And I'm just on here giving information, facts, showing people how to do things, being tactical. I want to help other people to find some type of financial success. So I'm just on here doing that, and I'm showing my proof. So there's plenty of people out there. I won't say plenty. There's all of you. I think all of you watching probably are good at something. And the way to capitalize on that is to teach that thing in your own words, like showing your experience, and you do it on YouTube, and you just do it kind of how I am now. Like you just record and you kind of try to just figure out the best way to show it, or who your audience is, who are the people that you want to talk to. And that's it. It doesn't take much. Like I'm doing this with the iPhone right now. And a lot of times I use a ring light. I do have a microphone, but I don't even use it. So I don't know, maybe the sound is bad. Let me know if the sound sounds bad in the comments. Just let me know that. But I think the sound probably sounds good. There's an easy way to start. You can spend $1,000 starting, or you can just start for free, like with your iPhone, just doing a video like this. So anyways, I'm going to make a video tomorrow, and I'm going to outline a few things. I'm going to outline like how you can get monetized, which we all know you can get monetized on YouTube by having 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Now, I don't know why they came to that, but like subscribers are basically people that subscribe to your channel. Like they're locked in, they want to see your stuff. They want to get notified when you post. You can turn notifications on and off, but for the most part, they're going to get notified when you post, and that's posting videos, shorts, and also there's like a community tab. If you're on YouTube, that community tab, and then you can actually post pictures and words, like a paragraph or something, or quotes or whatever it is that you want to post. And then, those subscribers, that also opens them up for like membership things. So like if you're selling something, or if you have sponsored content, or actually just like premium content, whatever that may be, like if I have a course on here, which I'm going to do a mini course in the future, a free mini course, and it's going to basically just give you the rundown on how to start your YouTube channel, like how to set it up. And like if you have certain subscribers on there that sign up for your premium, like a membership, which they can do that, they'll pay monthly for it, then they can view that premium content. So I don't know, there's just a few different things. You got your subscribers. Now you got the 4,000 watch hours, and you have to have 4,000 watch hours within a rotating 365 days, I think. So within 365 days, you have to have 4,000 watch hours. That's, I don't know. That's both good and bad, or hard and easy. It just depends on your approach. Like if you're making a lot of viral videos, a lot of viral content, then you can probably reach that pretty quickly. But if you're doing what I'm doing, and you're monetizing your channel before being monetized with YouTube, that means you're talking about a niche. You're probably talking about something that's niche specific, and you're drawing in the audience that's going to buy from you anyways, like that's going to work with you. So for example, say you are talking about knitting hats or something. So you're niche specific. You're going to make a video about like how to knit a beanie for a baby. I'm telling you right now, there's an audience on YouTube that's going to watch your content, but that audience is small. It's small in its own. You're probably going to have tens of thousands of people watching it. Like it's a fine audience, probably 100,000 maybe. But I'm saying it's small compared to something broad like how to make money online. So when you're on, like, when you search how to make money online, you're gonna find thousands of videos. Like, I don't know, it could be more like tens of thousands of videos. I don't know. How to make money online. But if you type in how to knit a beanie hat for a baby, that's gonna be like 10% of that search. So anyways, the person that's searching for like how to knit a hat for a baby, it's more targeted, it's more niched. That person is looking for something. That person is looking for an expert to speak to. So when they find your channel, they're going to subscribe, and then they're going to go through your content. They're going to learn everything that you learn. And if you have it set up right, like selling a digital product, a course, or some checklists or forms, and then coaching, you know, like that's what I teach, coaching. So they're going to buy that coaching from you. And that's all it is. You know, you pick your niche, and then you make content around it. You attract your audience. You're not going to go viral too many times, but what you're doing is attracting buyers. So the difference, the difference between the two is you're attracting. So so you go viral. Say you go viral because you got some viral idea and you have a good thumbnail and a good title. All right. So 99% of those people, I don't know how many, but it's going to be a large percentage of those people, they're not going to be a buyer. They're going to click that video. They're going to watch some. They're going to be entertained, and they're going to leave. They're probably not even going to subscribe. All right. So when you make a video in scenario 2, and it's highly niched and it's very detailed and you know, it's for your target audience. When you make that video, let's say you get a few hundred, up to 1,000 views. It's going to be significantly less, but a large percentage of those viewers are going to be able to be converted into buyers. And that's where the magic happens. So then at the end of your videos, you can make an offer. You know, you say, hey, click this link so you can join my email list, or you can say, hey, here's a free download. And then you capture the email, and then you can create courses and digital products and whatever. So anyways, long story short, tomorrow I'm going to post a video. Actually, I'm going to start doing this weekly. I'm going to do this at least once a week, and I'm going to go over in detail just my experience and basically just walk you through why starting your passion and pursuing your passion on YouTube can help you, how you can do it, some tips, some tricks, some advice on how I grew my channel to 1,000 subscribers in 30 days and how I monetized it before being monetized by YouTube. And I made $10,000. So I want you to tune in for that. Let me know below if you're interested in this content, if this content is helping you, and I'll be happy to keep it going. So, okay, thanks. You have a good one. Bye.